This video is sponsored by Vantrue. Grab yourself 10% off of any dashcam from their website using my code there, LondonCam. All links in the description below. You know it makes sense. It's your permanent eyewitness that cannot lie. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. We are back in the car today. And I've got to say a big thank you to everyone that tuned in to me and my bike videos. The support and the advice that I'm getting from you guys is amazing. So a big thank you to all of you guys. And I cannot believe I'm saying it, but I cannot believe how much I'm enjoying riding a bike. But getting back to this video, what do you think that girl behind me is doing? Mobile phone maybe? Well, we don't know for sure, do we? I mean, for all I know, she could be putting yogurt on her thrush. But whatever it is taking her eye off the road for too long. She's driving down here and her head is still going up and down, up and down. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. So now in this next clip, it's your petrol head moment. It's coming from the left-hand side, turning just up here on this bend. And there used to be a thing in the day, didn't they, about their suspension. That was the big thing about these cars. When you started them up, the suspension started and the car literally rose up, didn't it? It was one of them things in the day that was like, ooh, look at that. Yeah, you don't see that many of them about no more. And as you guys know, I am absolutely useless at cars. I know what make it is, obviously, but I don't know the model. It's not my thing. Cars are not my thing. Now we go straight from one petrol head moment to another one. It's coming towards us, so it's not the best picture of it. I do not know what this one is though. Make, model, whatever. Yeah, you know me, I'm bloody useless at it. Really am. Now I know quite a few of you are massively into your cars, and if you don't want to go into central London to these showrooms, there's one out here in Banstead. On the Brighton Road, the A217 Romans, they got loads of lovely cars, loads of expensive ones there on the right hand side as we're looking at it. And to the left, you'll see the old girl coming up. There it is. And there it goes. Now that transition was a little bit dramatic, wasn't it? We're looking at one of Sadiq Khan's License to Kill assassins in front of us that's got license to go for a red. So we're going straight into yet another petrol head moment. It's coming towards us. It's a very old one, this one. And as per usual, I haven't got a clue what it is. Yeah, there it is. Listen to the roar of the engine. I tell you what, it was going some speed, you know. Now in this clip, this isn't a petrol head moment. This is a knobhead moment. As we're coming up here, we're going to be going over a small bridge, a little small bridge, and it's pretty tight. And as you can see, you can see nothing behind it, as in the wall, until I get over it there. This HGV driver just carries on going. That was really close, but if we go to the rear camera now, you'll see what he does to this van behind me. The van is on the bridge. The HGV driver was going too fucking fast to slow down. Very dangerous. That guy is an absolute knobhead. And you'll see that the van is actually on the middle of the bridge there, but the driver, the professional driver apparently, is going too fast to actually slow down before he gets to the bridge. Professional driver, yeah, my arse. Now in this clip we are looking at the car in front of me and the car in front of that. The bus up there in front is stopped at a bus stop. Now all you got to do is wait behind it. It's a tight road anyway and there's cars coming towards us, so you just have to wait. Now what the camera doesn't pick up, because the camera is centered right in the middle of my car, I can actually see a car coming towards us. So these two cars in front of me can also see this car coming round the bend. Now, but they carry on going. They just go. They just pull out round the bus. The bus is indicating to come out, and yet the car coming towards us has to wait for them because of their impatience and, well, bad sight maybe, bad eyesight. Now, as most of you know by now, I've started this little journey of riding an e-bike, and I'm loving it. I am absolutely loving it. I can't tell you how much I'm loving it, but it doesn't stop me having an opinion on this sort of cycling. Now, We all know that they're allowed to do this, ride two abreast. We all know that they're allowed to do it. I have got no chance whatsoever of overtaking them here because of the bend there. There's no way I'm going to go out on the other side of the road because of a car coming around the corner like that. You know, it's too dangerous. So I've got to wait until I get round the side here. These guys are not playing ball. There's 6 of them and they're not playing ball. They're not moving over. And I know they don't have to. But here's the issue I have with this, okay? I can go right away across the other side of the road now, and I'm still not giving them 1.5 metres. I cannot move over anymore, and I'm still not giving them 1.5 metres. So what's the difference in them going single file and me giving them the same amount of distance I am now and being able to drive past them, and traffic coming towards us would be able to drive past me at the same time? I don't get the 1.5 metres sometimes on this sort of rule. Because I can't give them 1.5 metres, even though I'm completely on the wrong side of the road. Answers on a postcard. I probably haven't explained it very well, but just for a change, we have a Fiat 500 with a light out. Yeah, so let us know in the comments section down below if you understood what I was talking about there about the bikes. So we're coming out of this turning, and this is the garage that I was saying, or the showroom that I was saying on the right hand side here. They got some lovely vehicles, and I know some of you guys are really into your cars, and it saves you going into London where it's as busy as hell. It's on the Brighton Road, the A217 in Banstead, and as we come round here, I will show you the motors as we come round here. We're not looking at the Audi, who just cannot work out what lane it wants, but we're looking at the cars over to the left. Yeah, some really nice expensive ones, and they're out all night, by the way. They don't put them away, they're out all night. So I want to bring your attention to this rule here, because every time I show you someone doing a 3-point turn, or a turn in the road as it's called, people say, is they allowed to do it? They're allowed to do it, but there is something in the highway code saying that you shouldn't do it the way this guy is going to do it in front of me. It's basically selfish. It's just selfish driving. You shouldn't be doing it the way you do it. It says it there. Find a safe place to do it. Go down a side road and turn around. If you made a mistake, which we all do, don't make another mistake in correcting it. But this guy in front of me either doesn't know that rule, or he is, well, he is, I don't know why I'm saying or he is too selfish and too ignorant and arrogant to understand it. Because I mean, he goes so far over to the left, I thought he was pulling over. Then the right indicator goes on. Okay, he might be going into that driveway, you know, wants to get an angle to get into that driveway properly. But no, he's not even doing that. He's doing a 3-point turn, a turn in the road right there, using someone's driveway to get it, to do it properly, because he's that bad a driver, he needs that extra room to actually do it. So not only should he not be doing a 3-point turn there, look at the size of the road. He hasn't got enough room in the size of that road to do it without going up on the pavement. What a crap driver. And yet another petrol head moment for you coming up. There it is, coming towards us. Very nice. I do like the way they look, them cars. They do look so nice. So in this clip, it is your typical Sadiq Khan's Licence to Kill assassin that just pulls out in front of me, and then the speed limits don't apply to them. So he's pulled out in front of me. He needs 2 lanes to turn left before moving over, and then the speed limit, well, just forget about the speed limit. They don't apply to Sadiq Khan's Licence to Kill assassins, do they? I mean, he's gone. Look at him, he's gone. It is only a 40-mile-an-hour speed limit down here. Yes, he didn't get the memo that this road has changed to a 40. So we go to the rear camera a little bit further down the Mad Mile, and now we got this learner behind me. How close would you like to be at 40 miles an hour? This seriously still does my head in. Why would you ride like that or drive like that right behind someone? If I had to hammer my brakes for whatever reason, say something jumped out in front of me and I didn't see it until late or whatever, and I've had to slam my brakes on, there is no way you're stopping before you hit the back of my car. Yes, you can maybe, if you're good enough and quick enough, swerve out to avoid me, but into what? Oncoming traffic. So there is absolutely no benefits to doing what he's doing other than risking rear-ending me, writing off his bike, and probably even writing off himself. You know, it doesn't make any sense to do this sort of stuff. Now he backs off for whatever reason, I do not know. He backs off, but it doesn't last. I don't know what he was doing, why he backed off, why he changed his mind. Maybe he was looking at his phone or something to see if he had any more deliveries to do. But he does catch me up and just carries on doing the same. It is weird, and I've never understood why people drive so close or ride so close to someone, especially as you've not shown any interest in trying to go past me. He's just literally straight there behind me, and that's it. So you might as well back off, give yourself a bit of braking distance, just relax. There's no benefits to doing it. It is bizarre, really bizarre. He does actually go past me in a little while when I run into traffic and I can't go anywhere, and he goes round me then. But I don't understand this at all. We're going to put it down to the fact that he's inexperienced and he's a learner, and he needs to, you know, gain a bit of experience to how roads work. Nah, not for me. I would put it down to he's a fucking idiot myself, but there you go, that's just me. So we'll speed it up just until he goes past us, just so we can see his number plate, because if you see this number plate on the ground somewhere, on the pavement, in a smashed up heap of bike, you realise why it's there, because he's been riding like that. It's well, it'll happen, won't it? It's gonna happen. When you ride like that, you only get away with that for so long. So now a little bit further on, we're in Sutton, and we're just going past the police station, and as you can see, there's two lanes that go off to the right and one goes straight on. We're obviously going straight on, so we're in the straight on lane. It's simple, isn't it? It really is simple, but so many people get this wrong, and most of them, I've got to say, most of them do it on purpose. As you can see behind me, everyone wants to go straight on. Very few people want to turn right from that side of the road, really. Everyone wants to go straight on, except for that car there. You see it right at the back there? He's zooming along. I think it's actually a woman that's driving. All the way to the front of the queue almost. And is just going to sneak in behind the taxi there. No indication, no nothing, just, oh, I'm going to move over. Yes, because it's my right, it's my privilege. I'm a self-entitled twat. Now a little bit further down the road, we have got a petrol head moment for you again. It's parked up on the left-hand side. Again, I have no idea what it is, but I did see this being driven the other day, and I got it on video, so that's being a future episode. But it's really low down to the ground, you know. It is so low. But to be honest, I think I would prefer the little sports car that's in front of it, as I'm going through a midlife crisis. But as you can see, the sports car is so low to the ground, it shows you how low that big car is behind it. But again, I haven't got a clue what it is, so you're going to have to tell me in the comment section down below. There's going to be quite a few of them in this episode. I've seen quite a few petrol head moments. So in this one, we're back on the Mad Mile in a second when we turn left up here. And we've already seen one of Sadiq Khan's License to Kill assassins go down this road and not pay a blind bit of notice to the 40-mile-an-hour speed limit. Now, some of you will remember me saying that this used to be a 60-mile-an-hour speed limit. It's been reduced to 40 miles an hour. And the cars that we are looking for that didn't get the memo that this speed limit has changed is this Tesla here. There will be cars behind it and a van that also follow suit, but look how far I am away from that Tesla. This is called the Mad Mile. It's not quite a mile, it's just short of a mile. Look how far away I am from that Tesla. Now look how quickly this thing catches me up. I'm doing 40-mile-an-hour speed limit. I'm doing the 40. It's times like this I do wish that I had the speedo on the front here, but yeah, you'll see him catch me up like I am standing still. And you saw how far away he was, and the van's not doing too bad neither, is it? And then this one, they're not doing 40 by the way, and it looks even worse when we go to the front when they do overtake me. Look at that. How fast do you think that is going? I have no idea, but it's not doing 60 even, is it? So a bit of a short one today, because I think I bored the tits off of you yesterday with the bike one. And incidentally, the bike ones will carry on because, well, basically I'm enjoying riding. I'm enjoying the freedom of it, the exercise, the fresh air. It's great for your mental health as well, you know. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.